in this question we have to evaluate this integral. This is one of those trigonometric integrals that you should know the trick, because otherwise it's difficult to find out. We know that sec is the reciprocal of cos. And if I have sec square, it's going to be 1 over cos square. So I can, I'm going to write the integral. So between 0 and pi thirds, and I'm going to write sine x and 1 over cos x squared. If I get one of the cos and divide the sine by it, I will have tan x, and then I will have 1 over cos, which is sec again. So I have 0 pi thirds tan x, and then reciprocal of cos, which is sec x. And this is the integral, the derivative of sec x. This is in your formula booklet, but kind of hidden. So instead of being in your integration table, is in your differentiation. So when you have sec tan here, the integral is sec. Yeah. So this is sec x between 0 and pi thirds. You substitute calculator in radians, and you get this is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Yeah, so this is the first thing. Then B says, using the substitution, this substitution here showed that this integral is an expression like this. So we are going to integrate between 0 and pi quarters, sine theta divided by cos to the power of 4 theta d theta. And we are going to use this change, so u is cos theta. So I have to write everything that has theta here with u. So what I'm going to do is to find d theta, derivating. So if I derivate du d theta, derivative of cos is minus sine, which means that du is minus sine theta d theta, which is what I have here. So all this whole thing is going to be du, but minus. And then cos to the power of 4 is going to be u to the power of 4. So I can write this integral, and I'm going to change the limits in a minute, as minus 1 over u to the power of 4, so the cos to the power of 4, and the u. Yeah, because all this thing is minus du, and which is very easy to integrate. Now we change the limit. So when theta is 0, u is going to be cos of 0, which is 1. And when theta is pi quarters, u is going to be 1 over root 2. So cos of pi quarters. So my limits are going to be 1 and 1 over root 2, or root 2 over 2. I integrate, and I have, so this is like u to the power of minus 4, so I increase 1 u to the power of minus 3 divided by minus 3, but I have this minus here, so this minus with this one are gone, and I'm not going to write it, so I'm just going to write 3, and between 1 and 1 over root 2, I substitute just with the calculator. It's easy and quick, and you have minus 1/3 plus 2/3 root 2. And that's it. Be careful, because with the calculator, not sure you're going to get this straight away. You should work half with the calculator, half by hand. They ask us, what A and B are. So A is going to be minus 1/3 and B is going to be 2/3. So we have those two rational numbers. Yeah, and that's it.